Let's learn how to find transactions history on Binance application. I will show you this tutorial on PC, but the method is same for any device. So what you need to do is to open your Binance application. Now what you can do is to go to Wallet, Overview, and here you can see your recent transactions. If you want to see entire history, you can do that by going to anything that will lead you to dashboard. So we can click all others. Now go by crypto history. Once you're there, you can see, you can check buy, sell, deposit, withdrawal. If you want to check even more, you can go to this transaction history, and you have a lot of options here. As you can see, I didn't buy anything, I didn't sell anything, I have no records on, but if you did something like that, it will show up here. That's it, and see you in another video.